going on, Leo? My name's Kyle. I just wanted to reach out and make you a video that can bring you and your business some value. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on things you can do to help optimize your website to where you can drive in more traffic and generate more leads for your business. So I do have 3 tips I want to share with you today. My first tip is location page. Now, a location page is something you would build out for each individual county so your business can be found in those areas. If you build out a page for a bathroom remodeling for Will County, DuPage County, or Cook County is the county I'm going to use the example today, I would build out a page with 1,000 words, 1,500 words of content, because content's important. Google doesn't care how awesome websites look. They care about what kind of content's on the page. And the more content you have, the more authority you have on that topic. And also, the more content you have, the more buyer intent keywords you can put inside your content. The more keywords you have, the more ways people can find you when they search for bathroom remodeling in, say, Chicago, or bathroom renovation Chicago. This tool here is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool and it buys data from Google. And these are just examples of keywords that you can put inside a location page. So that way when somebody searches this term in that area, they can potentially find your business. So you have bathroom remodel Chicago, 800 people searching that term each month. Chicago bathroom fixtures, 700 searches a month. Bathroom remodeling Chicago, 600 searches. So you can find buyer intent keywords for all of your services that you provide, and you can find buyer intent keywords for all your service areas as well. Now, my second tip is backlinks, and backlinks are just as important. It's what gives your website power, and it's what drives your website to the top of the organic section of Google. And backlinks are links throughout the web that, when clicked on, will bring the user back to your website. It's essentially like having a popularity contest, and the person with the most backlinks wins. However, Google's now leaning more towards quality versus quantity. So they want to see backlinks that are relevant to you. So they want to see backlinks coming from other bathroom renovating websites or home improvement websites that have links linking people back to your website. Now, Ahrefs also lets us see what's going on the back end of websites. And I do want to mention that there are free tools for keyword research and backlinks. So if you just Google Backlink Finder or Keyword Finder, you can find the free tools you need to be able to do this yourself. So right now, your website is URL of 16. That's how powerful your website is. You have a domain rating of 0.7. That's how trustworthy your website is. You have over 300 people coming onto your website each month through an organic search. And that's awesome. That's 45 years of being in business right there. Now, you also have 296 keywords that you're being found for. You have 27 referring domains, giving you a total of 225 backlinks. These backlinks is what's giving your website your power and your trust. And you want these two numbers to be as high as possible and as close together as possible as well. You want to shoot for a ratio of 1. Now, I looked up bathroom remodeling in Chicago. I wanted to see what kind of search volume that company's getting. And this is Villa Bathroom Remodeling Chicago. They were in the #1 organic spot. So I looked up what kind of numbers they're bringing in. So they have a URL of 17 to power. They have a domain rating of 4.6 to trust. They have over 435 people coming onto their website each month through an organic search. Now, they're being found for 209 keywords, and they have 142 referring domains, giving them a total of 272 backlinks. If these backlinks here are good enough to rank their websites at the top, it's good enough to do the same for yours as well, especially if you have your content and keywords in place. And this is something you can do with all your top competitors. You can take all your top competition's backlinks, and you can link them back to you. You just go to the referring domains, and each and every one of these websites here has a link linking people back to Villa Bathroom. You can do the same thing with yours. You just go into each individual site. Some you just might have to create a profile. You can add your website that way. Others you might have to go to the contact us, email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. My last tip for you is get to the #1 spot in the Google Map Pack. It's one of the best spots to be in. 40% of the searches on Google click inside the Google Map Pack. 30% of the searches on Google click in the #1 spot in the organic section. But how can you get to this top spot here? You need more citations than your top competition has, and all a citation is your business name, business address, and business phone number listed in directories throughout the web. Some examples of a directory would be places like Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Better, Business Bureau. Even social media is considered a directory nowadays. So, Leo, I hope this short video was helpful for you today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you for watching. You have an awesome day.